Today I will show you how to use power rule for derivatives. You will leave this video with a greater understanding of this technique. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get right into it. So when we're taking the derivative of some function x to the power n, where n is just a number, we get this sort of formula. We drop the n down to the coefficient, and then we subtract 1 from the exponent. So this is only applicable when we have x to some numerical power n. N has to be a number, and x has to be a variable. Alright, let me show you an example. Let's look at the example x cubed, the derivative of x cubed. So using the same sort of formula as I just showed, we are going to drop this exponent down into the coefficient and then subtract 1 from the exponent. This is just going to simplify to 3x squared. And there's our answer. Let's try another one. Let's look at this example now. We now have 4x to the power of 6. So we already have something being multiplied by the x. Well, what do we do in that case? Well, we just say that this is 4 times, and then we just take the derivative of x to the 6th like we would normally. So we drop the power down, multiply that by x, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. Now this will simplify to 24x to the 5th. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below of what topic you'd like to see next. This is Dylan signing off. Hope you have a good day, and see you in the next one.